Welcome to an unboxing. What is this going to be, do you suppose? Exciting, isn't it? Well, it's a FISKARS tree lopper. How about that? That completes the unboxing. Here is the cutting implements. The cutter is controlled by this pull thing. You pull it along. So I'm going to have a go with this in a moment. This is the information you get with it, which I'm bound to say doesn't tell you very much. The idea of this is you put it around the branch you want to cut and then pull downwards. Ta-da! Here we'll put it on this branch and we'll pull. No, won't cut it. Try this one. No. Well, it's not strong enough to break a very big branch. The front of this appliance turns so that you can it's quite hard to turn, but it turns to a different position to make it easier to cut certain things, different angles. Let's go for this, shall we? Yes, we've done it. Ah. Well, it cuts small branches quite easily, but large branches it struggles with. We want to cut these up so they will go in the brown bin. Yes, it's quite easy with smaller sorts of branches. More detailed reviews of this tree lopper have been made on YouTube, so I won't bore you much further with this, except to say there are two versions of this. There's this version which I've got here, which is the telescopic version, which costs about £100, and then there's a non-telescopic version which costs about £70. So if you order one of these, you've got to make sure that you want the version that is appropriate to your garden. I mean, if you've got a garden like this where the trees are really growing up, then you've got to go for the telescopic version. But obviously if it is only just small hedges and things you've got to cut down, then you can go for the £70 version, which is cheaper and not as difficult to handle. But I mean, £100 is not an awful lot of money to spend. I mean, if you were going to pay a gardener, they want £25 an hour, which is £50 for a couple of hours, and £100 for 4 hours. So I mean, you get the money back on it, you know, in an afternoon's work.